Hi guys! Today we're going to work on filling out more of this order form while we're taking orders at a meat counter. So John orders 4 pounds of chicken thighs. What is the total cost of John's order? So we're going to take our circle to record on here what John's order is. We're going to take our circle here and chicken, he ordered chicken thighs. And so chicken is a poultry selection. So we're going to circle our chicken. Our cut was chicken thighs. So we're going to use the A tool on the left-hand side of your screen to type. So you can copy it from up here as chicken thighs. And then it's important to go back and click on your arrow tool so that you have your arrow back. Now, the quantity is next. How much did John order? It says he ordered 4 pounds. So we're going to take our 4 from down here and drag it up. Price per pound. Chicken thighs are, according to our menu, $1.25 per pound. So here's my dollar sign. And I'm going to say it's $1 and 25 cents. This area is a little small here, so you can put it on the side or go up and down, just kind of scrunch it in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our calculator again to solve, to find our total. So the quantity was 4. Drag that down. Price per pound, we said, was $1, $1, and I don't know where my decimal place went, so I'll get a new one. 25 cents. Okay, so now we're going to use your calculator to multiply that. So I have my calculator over here. I cleared it off to make sure that it is on 0. I'm going to take 4 and multiply or times it by $1.25. And I'm going to hit equals $5. So I'm going to go back over here, and $5 is what John, his purchase of 4 pounds of chicken thighs costs. All right, guys, have fun practicing.